What's up, family? Thanks for tuning in. This is Street Academia TV, and I'll be your host, Jay Remy. Today, we want to look at what an EPK be. EPK. The first time I hear EPK, then I did speak with one artist for Tema, where he mentioned that be some long time ago. But recently, that he worked on some album art. Kojo Golden, formerly under of R2B's in sound. He gets some sound with Ice Prince Amani, so I had the opportunity to design the album art. So the photos where Kojo Golden management sent me, and the ones where Ice Prince Amani then the management also send we use. If you take a look at them, you see there's an orderly way of doing things. Even the photography and the positioning of the artist in the image, the shadow they wear, all of them, they fall into some kind of poses where, based on the album art where you want to, it'll help you to be able to choose some particular photo to create a particular album art. So yes, since you hear me talk about photo, a photo be one of the things where they an EPK inside. Now, what be EPK? So the EPK be a very comprehensive promotional package, okay, where it cover the artist in brand identity. Everything about the artist, the whole package inside. So we go call an EPK, say be like a digital tool, where it be needed for maybe press releases and things like that. Anything where they deal with publicity of the artist, whoever they do that they publicize the artist in song or whatever in stories, it be a very excellent one-stop shop for the artist in everything. We want to take an in-depth dive into what an EPK is and what it is inside. Now, mind you, every artist will have an EPK. If you have an electronic press kit, to be very important. Later we will understand why you need an EPK or an electronic press kit. Now, what be the things where you will find for an EPK inside?